But when we're coming at it, when I'm gone, there you go. Yeah. It was okay. We just gotta make sure we're either going right to the minor chord, or if we're giving another beat, we just know what we're doing. So.
Are we going to get it right on, or are we going to delay it? That might have been me because I stumbled.
No, what happened was I gave an extra measure on the B flat, but he was already on the minor.
Okay.
So,
Which one do you want to do?
let me play it myself and let me see which one I like better. Oh, troubadour, when I'm gone. Yeah, let's do it like we're ending it and then we're hitting the B flat again, going into the riff. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So like, wrote in on a song, you know troubadour, when I'm gone. Here, back to B flat. When through the valley we were, is that dawn we were, don't really tell the whole truth. It don't show us